come back, I'll finish more 36 and I'll read the story later, okay? I'll read the story to you later, okay? You can take the book and okay, it's kind of hard.
Okay, show us how you dance. Wait, start all over.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Papa Bears,
Berenstain Bears. Papa Bear.
Well, start your ABCs and sing them all through, and I'll find you some bubble gum.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, L, B.
Good.
Now, what's Frosty say? Tell her. What's Frosty say?
Merry Christmas. Papa Bear,
Who do you love?
hey Daffy. Papa Bear.
I need that one on my video, Catherine.
Listen, who's your buddy?
No,
You don't have no buddies?
no, I'm a babysit.
Your babies are sick? How old are you?
I'm a baby.
A tiny baby?
I'm a girl and a baby.
You're a girl and a baby?
Papa Bear.
Jacob, who's your teacher this year? Who's your teacher?
I don't want to talk. A Jacob side. Where's Holly?
Tie your shoe.
Can I tie your shoes?
Who's not here today, Catherine?
Somebody's gone. Who is it?
Who's missing?
Uncle.
Uncle who?
Uncle. Uncle who?
Who's, who's at work?
Uncle.
Who?
Uncle who? Uncle.
Brittany's daddy? Where's Brittany's daddy?
Uncle.
What's his name?
Jacob, go get your Cub Scout cap.
What's your, what?
What's your Cub Scout cap on?
Brooke, what grade are you in?
I want to take it off.
And who's your favorite person right now? Like Catherine's is Barney. Who is your favorite person?
Mickey Mouse.
Look to the camera.
Mickey Mouse.
What's our favorite person?
Brittany, who's your favorite person right now?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Let me see your teeth. Woo. Jacob, who's your favorite person?
My favorite person is Matthew and Ellie. My favorite person is
Her family.
Oh, family. Yeah.
Army Man.
Army Man.
Can you sing Jesus Loves Me? Please. How about Hush Little Baby?
We should sing.
Shadow baby.
show us how you do a cartwheel? Woo! That's good. Yay! Tell Aunt Kathy, say I'm precious.
Zero.
Say you're embarrassing your mother.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
11 years here.
Happy anniversary.
See all the gray hairs?
to
Uh-huh.
you.
And
Happy
Uh-oh.
anniversary.
39.
Happy
Papa's hiding behind Jacob.
He's asleep.
Happy
He's so excited about it, he's asleep.
Happy anniversary.
Papa's asleep. Hi.
Jacob.
How you turn the TV off? And also while I'm playing.